It's 2022. Please don't just use console.log anymore. 5 JavaScript console object methods and tricks you should know about. Photo by Gael Marcel on Unsplash. As a front-end engineer, you must. It's 2022. I lost a job opportunity just because of promise.all. Stop using and for conditional rendering in React. Avoid bugs by not using and in React components. Photo by Joshua Honey on Unsplash. If you've seen any React application, you know how to conditionally render parts of a component depending on props and state. React hooks when to use layout effect instead of use effect. The difference between use effect and use layout effect explained with a real-life example. Photo by John Jnabrich on Unsplash. What's the difference between the two React hooks, use effect and use layout effect, with the same signature, similar names, and similar outcomes? It's better to see the difference between them once than to read